Hello, Lado.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Morning.
So I got your message, so
You know the engine light is on.
I'm gonna be over and check it.
You coming over now?
Yeah, right now.
Yeah, it's this car.
Oh, this one? Okay. You have the key? Yeah.
Recovering the good, but it's not.
Okay, let me check. Ah, there we go. Knock sensor, O2 sensor.
My wife. He finished high school, he wanted to be Marine.
Wow.
He went right away to Marine.
Straight out, huh?
You know, his pride.
Okay, I just lifted up. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Good,
It's
yeah.
this sensor right here.
Or this right here? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's better to buy the part at Nissan. That's why it lasted this long.
Yeah.
Because if you buy aftermarket, you know, it's
Yeah, you never know, yeah.
made of cheaper material. So here's your key.
Yeah, this side over here, yeah.
Yeah.
If you.
Let me have this one. This is the main code right here. P0133 O2 circuit slow response. Bank 1 sensor 1, that one right there.
Yeah.
Replace that first and then see what happens.
Yeah.
It could cost maybe $200 or $300.
Wow.
Yeah. And for me to put it, just like $40.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. It's not that hard to put on, so.
Okay.
And then,
They're expensive those, yeah?
yeah, expensive. When does this need to be registered, this car?
This month,
All
July
right.
29.
Well, that gives me more time to go and get it. And then you just reimburse me or whatever the part.
Yeah.
I think it's better if I take a picture of the VIN number.
Hello?
So, Lado, I'm going there now.
Okay, I see you.
I'll see you. Okay, bye. Alright, let's see over here.
Frozen there, yeah?
Yeah, because it's, you know, the heat, yeah?
Yeah.
And so I have to, like, be careful. Oh, there we go. Good. Okay, good. So they said just to bring it over there. It's old.
Yeah, probably the original. You know, this car, I bought a second hand. I don't put too much money in this car. This thing running.
Yeah, this is a good engine. This is a strong engine. KA. Let me see, yeah. KA24DE. Right there. Oh. Oh, 12.4. Nice. Well, let me bring it over there.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
That's all what you need for now, yeah?
Yeah, that's all.
All right.
Okay, Lado. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day, yeah?
You too.
Are there going to be some moments when you want to give up? Yes. it's going to seem like it's impossible.
When we think about changing our lives, usually that means changing your behaviors, retraining yourself, getting new habits, going out and trying them out, and changing your life. Change your thoughts, change your life.
Dang, look at that. That's how much. Let's go take a look at this GTR. Sweet. Wow, look at that. Can't really see inside. Let's see how much this goes for. 2020 Nissan GTR. This goes for 118,000. Wow. Something wrong with your car. Nice.
Do not listen to that girl. Instead, go through the motions. Work on the project. Get out of bed. If you only had your kid turn, and the person that's broke is overuses her 24 hours wisely. That's it. Listen to me. That's it. You get 24. I don't care if you broke, you grew up broke. I don't care if you grew up rich. I don't care if you're in college, you're not in college. You only get. Call back. Are your own worst enemy. I know that if I fail, talent is overrated, homie. It'll become something else. If you want to be someone who's tireless and not be tired down, you'll become something else. So you don't have those limitations that a human being has. You don't have that. Because you become something else, you're tired. Because at that point you become God. And then I get that done, and then I do the next thing. And then I get that done, and then I do the next thing. This is about just quiet. Success is like a quiet daily set of tasks. Real small.
Hello. One is available.
Here, lock this for me. I'm gonna go to a neighbor's house. Love you. Are you okay?
I'll wipe it after.
Love you. Hello, love.
Take your call.
Hey, Lado, I have the part already.
Oh,
This part's not cheap.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you the receipt.
How much was it?
Like 270 something.
Oh, okay.
They had to order it, you know. It's
Yeah, because guys getting old, yeah. So they old.
oh yeah.
I think I don't know if I'm gonna keep that next year, buddy.
Yeah, if something comes up again, it's just gonna keep on piling up, you
Piling
know.
up, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that probably
One problem starts, then the other
Other
yeah,
coming, yeah?
coming, yeah.
yeah. It's like old body. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, like yesterday I worked on a car. My back is hurting and my wrist. Because my wife said, hey, just take it easy, but what's going on, right?
Yeah. No, in my age, you know. You're like this one. Sometimes you work in the job. It's kind of hard on your back, no?
Oh yes, very.
Like when I was younger, I cannot go, but now I can't do any. I can go for a while, and after my back started hurting, I said, forget about it. I don't.
Exactly.
And another one is over here outside Salt Lake City.
Let's see this.
Job already for the
22 years.
Well, he was he was I think he was staying on Colonel.
Yeah. It's at 118. Yes. Yes. Here it comes. Okay, I'm gonna start it up, okay?
Yeah.
Iron monitors. So cat's not complete, EFAP's not complete. Oxygen sensor is not yet complete. So I have to drive it first. You just need to drive it like for 30 miles, and if it doesn't come on, everything's good.
Yeah.
But remember, there's another sensor, knock sensor. Remember? So we solved the first problem, but you know, it could be related. So, you know, just drive it. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
You could write a check. So that price plus $40, is that okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You want to come in or?
No, I'll wait for you here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Thank you, Lado.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you
welcome.
very much. Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
you're welcome. Just contact me again if anything, okay?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
All right, take care.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. I'll be back. I'm gonna go to Lado's house, okay?
Okay.
Ra, I'll be back. I'm gonna go to Lado's house, our neighbor. Thank you, Lord, for having me here. Thank you. Hi, Lado.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? I just wanted to check. So it passed Smog, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, how was it?
It's kind of nice and coolish. Nighttime was actually kind of already like 39.
Good, there's no check engine light.
Okay, thank you for coming.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to check
Yeah,
and stuff.
good,
You
good.
take care, huh?
Yeah.